Hi friends, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, do you happen to have a lot of these little vases laying around? Well, I've got an idea for you. And with this one, all I did was I just took some fall ribbon and tied it around. And then right here, as you can see, I have some pine cones, a little bit of straw on it, some leftover Dollar Tree leaves here, guys, a pumpkin, and then a little black and white pumpkin to go with some of my decor in my house. And then these are just some flowers that I had left over from Hobby Lobby. But we'll go ahead and get started for this 5-minute DIY. First, I'm going to add a pine cone, a pumpkin, a pine cone. Then we're going to add the leaves, and I'm just going to place them down in the bottom. And I'm just going to make sure that they're face out when I put them in, like that. Just kind of scatter them around, and you can do them. They don't necessarily have to be upright, but I just love these colors. Just scatter them around like that. Then we're going to lay the pumpkin in here toward the top, or this part, because I want it to be facing. And then I'm just going to take these flowers. I've got some little berries and greenery. We're just going to bundle them all up, stick them down in here in the middle, like so. And you might have to push down on it a little bit and reorganize the pine cones maybe a little bit to get them to stand up right. Then you can fluff them out as you want to. But voila, a beautiful fall arrangement in less than 5 minutes. I hope you like these crafts, and if you do, then subscribe to my channel because I have plenty more for fall. Love to see you there.